United States of America has pledged its support to Kyrgyzstan during this turbulent transitional period. We are here to protect the rights of the people of Kyrgyzstan.
Russia will, as ever, be ready to come to her sister nation's aid. The well-being of the people of Kyrgyzstan is of great importance to us.
What dreams are our countries built on?
Just...
Yes?
There are things you don't know about me.
Oh? Sounds promising.
You're naughty.
Not if I get what I want.
Do you want me to sing again?
Sing again? Hell no!
Stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace to dance, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me. And afterwards we drop into a quiet little place and have a drink or two. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you.
What's wrong? We were good together. Please. I'm skint.
You're skint?
Things have been quiet lately.
We've got an understanding, haven't we?
Yeah. Thanks.
Sorry?
I'm really grateful, Rush.
And don't buy anything tacky. Our reputation's bad enough as it is. Bitch. I'll sort some money for you.
You're a star. I love you.
Steady. lot of pressure lately.
You're the one who wanted to get to know me.
Pissed is never a good look.
You want me.
I'm not desperate.
Really? You surprise me.
Are you still here?
I take my responsibility for my neighbour seriously.
Oh, I heard that she was an ex.
We're really close, aren't we?
What? You haven't come out of the closet yet? Not the dumb thing over here, is it?
Don't shout!
We want you to leave.
I don't think it's up to you.
Kirk,
Can't we just have a laugh? I want to dance. Come on, Sam.
Kirk? We're totally committed to safeguarding countries in Central Asia, not only for our own safety, but to secure international peace. As a democratic country, we recognise the importance of freedom of speech, and therefore we will remain in Kyrgyzstan until there is stability and democracy in its true form. Now I know that by now most of you will have switched off because of the monotony of my voice and the blatant lies of my words. However, if I continue to make purposeful movements with my hands, I will appear to be talking sense even though it's complete and utter bullshit. It's only a few of us politicians who rule the world, and we deliberately turn you off politics, just in case you start to question what we do. God bless America.
I'm thinking of leaving him. My husband.
Why, fed up with the beating?
I'll be a free woman.
Free woman?
You bastard.
Classy chick.
Piss off!
Temper, temper.
Go on, get out of here.
Oh, I like a girl with balls.
I'm not a girl.
It gets better. She-man, exotic.
Who the hell do you think you are? You've always been there for me, haven't you? Even before he knew who I was. You've been like a mum to me. Can we hurt him?
Change the way he sees things?
Yes.
Rattle him?
Yes. What do we need?
It's all up here.
Can we take his money?
And the rest?
You've got to learn to play by the rules.
We'll always be bigger than you, understood? Sorry! Too late for that!
We're the main players, okay?